To Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to check your location history in Google Maps. So first let's open up Google Maps, and the easiest way to see your location history is to press the search in the top here at the very top, and if you scroll down you'll see the recent searches. However, towards the bottom here you'll see more from recent history. So when we tap that, we'll see all the locations we've searched for. So that's the first way to check your location history. Now the second way is to come to the main page like this and press your profile icon. Then select your timeline, and everywhere you've travelled will be listed here. You can go back in time and check different dates, and your location history will be selected here if you've had it turned on. So that's how to check your location history in Google Maps. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.